In traditional technical drawing, several tools and equipment are commonly used to create precise and detailed drawings. Here is a list of tools that you will need in your technical drawing subject. Drafting paper, also known as technical drawing paper or engineering paper, is a specialized type of paper designed to meet specific requirements for creating precise and accurate drawings by hand using various drafting tools and instruments. Drafting tape, also known as artist's tape or drafting masking tape, is a specialized type of adhesive tape designed to temporarily adhere to paper or other drawing surfaces without leaving any residue or causing damage when removed. Drafting tape is particularly useful for securing paper to drawing boards, creating clean borders, and masking specific areas during the drawing process. Drafting table and stand, also known as a drawing table or architect's table, is a specialized piece of furniture designed to provide a comfortable and adjustable surface for manual drafting, drawing, and other creative activities. The table's surface can be tilted or inclined to various degrees, allowing the drafter to work at an angle that suits their ergonomic preferences and drawing style. This feature helps reduce strain on the neck, back, and shoulders during long drawing sessions. T-square. This is a T-shaped ruler used to draw horizontal lines and to align other drawing instruments. Set triangles. These are triangular rulers available in different angles such as 90, 60, 45, and 30-degree angles. These are used to draw precise angles. Pencil eraser. This is used to remove or correct mistakes in the drawing. Pencil sharpener. This is a simple handheld or mechanical device used to sharpen the point of a pencil. French curves. These are curved templates used for drawing smooth and accurate curves. Compass. This is a tool used for drawing circles, arcs, and other curved shapes. Erasing shield. This is a small, thin, and flat template made of metal or plastic designed to aid in the precise erasing of specific areas on a drawing or paper. It is a useful tool for removing unwanted marks, lines, or details while preserving the surrounding areas. Pencil. A pencil is a widely used writing and drawing instrument that consists of a cylindrical shaft made of wood or other materials. The core, often referred to as the lead, is a mixture of graphite and clay that is used for writing or drawing. Template drawing tool. A tool with pre-drawn shapes and symbols that can be traced onto the drawing for consistency and accuracy without the need of a compass, ruler, or protractor. Ruler. A ruler is a straight-edge measuring tool used to draw straight lines and measure distances. It is an essential tool for accuracy and precision in both artistic and technical endeavors. Protractor. This is a measuring instrument typically made of transparent plastic or glass used to measure and draw angles accurately. A plotter is a specialized output device used in computer-aided design and technical drawing applications to produce large-scale, high-quality prints of technical drawings, schematics, and graphics. Unlike traditional printers that use ink or toner to print on paper, plotters use pens, pencils, or other drawing instruments to create precise and accurate drawings on various media.